Hey everyone, this is our universal remote kit. This kit works perfectly, guys. If you ordered a button version of our horns, it comes with the yellow wires, so it's a button version horn, and you decide you want to make it wireless later or something, or you just don't want to wire the button up, then you can order this kit. This kit comes with 2 remote controls, and it comes with this little box, and it comes with instructions. We also have videos in a tutorial section. So this little box, you'll wire up a couple wires to it. You run the hot wire and ground wire, and another hot wire, and then your yellow wire to the other side of it. I think the yellow wire goes on this side. But we have instructions. It comes with instructions with it, guys. And we have video instructions on how to use this as well. But this is for the people that order a button version of our horn and then decide they want to make it wireless later. This is the way to do it right here with this little kit. With these 2 remote controls, it's a really cool little unit. And if you have a button version horn, guys, you can also still use your button and make it remote control too, both. So and we have video instructions in our tutorial section showing you exactly how to do that. It's pretty easy, guys. But like I said, this universal remote kit that we sell on our website is used for people that buy a button version horn and decide they want to make it wireless later, or they bought the horn and decided, well, I don't want to wire the button up because it's a little bit more than I want to do, and they just want to make it wireless. So here's our universal remote kit. Enjoy.